Hey guys, we have 4 minus 4 plus 4 times 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0 and plus 4 and times 4. Right? Now 0 plus 4 equals 4. Right? Not 0. 4 and times 4. Now 4 times 4 equals 16. But this is not correct. Why? Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. And the multiplication and division from left to right. So multiply first, right? So 4. Now let's solve this again. 4 minus 4 plus 4 times 4 equals 16. Now 4 minus 4 equals 0 plus 16, and 0 plus 16 equals 16.